Horses out, diri-dum, diri-dum, best to begin, moving a party outside, Pretty Bull, Senior G, Manila Magic, Palasig comes next, Silocos Pride, and Admiral Contender is the early trailer, Pretty Bull, the leader by Oralenka, Senior G in the middle, Danori inside is diri-dum, diri-dum, Manila Magic is racing in fourth, 4 lengths, so in fifth, Palasig, Ilocos Pride, and Admiral Contender. And it's still Pretty Bull by the length. Manila Magic now moving up to take second. Diri-dum, diri-dum drives back in third. Senior G moving a party outside to take third. Then followed now by Admiral Contender, Ilocos Pride, and Palasig. Meanwhile, we have Pretty Bull by only a length and a half. Then here comes Diri-dum, diri-dum moving a party outside. Manila Magic, Danori inside, Senior G, Admiral Contender now racing in fifth, Ilocos Pride and Palasig. Pretty Bull still in front by Oralenka. Diri-dum, diri-dum still in second, Manila Magic in third, Admiral Contender in fourth, Senior G as they come down at the last 150. Pretty Bull still in front, moving a party outside, Diri-dum, diri-dum, Manila Magic, Admiral Contender. But it's still Pretty Bull by about 2 lengths over Diri-dum, diri-dum outside. Pretty Bull followed by Diri-dum, diri-dum, and finally Pretty Bull, Diri-dum, diri-dum, Manila Magic, then comes Admiral Contender.
71536.
Yes, Pretty Bull crossing the wire first. Renegade second.